come along to our garden in the sun. Four good friends will work together. Growing colors will be fun. Red cow walks across the meadow. Stomp, stomp, stomp the soft brown ground. Make the garden smooth and ready. Stomp it gently all around. Grow, grow, rainbow garden. Red and yellow, green and blue. Grow, grow, rainbow garden. We can grow it, me and you. Yellow duck brings little seeds now. Drop, drop, drop them in a row. Tuck them safely in the garden. Sleep, small seeds, and start to grow. Grow, grow, rainbow garden. Red and yellow, green and blue. Grow, grow, rainbow garden. We can grow it, me and you. Green frog hops between the garden rows. Hop, hop, hop from seed to seed. Warm sun shines upon the garden. Light and love are what they need. Blue elephant brings the water. Sprinkle, sparkle, splash and spray. Tiny drops fall on the garden, helping flowers on their way. First a shoot and then a small leaf. Then a bud begins to show. 1, 2, 3, the flowers open. Look how all the colors grow. Grow, grow, rainbow garden. Red and yellow, green and blue. Grow, grow, rainbow garden. We grew it together, me and you. Grow, grow, rainbow garden. Every color shining bright. Four good friends all sing together. What a happy garden sight. Red cow, yellow duck, green frog, blue elephant too. Wave goodbye to our bright garden. We will come back soon to you.